One thing I'm a bit fussy about when I format novels is that the first line of text should be flush with the margin, followed by subsequent paragraphs indented. Let's have a quick look at where this is configured in the Compile menu. Luckily, in the Mac version of Scrivener, if you choose the pre-formatted eBook, paperback or print presets from the Format As drop-down menu, they're already set up that way. But if ever you want to know where to change the setting, open your formatting pane, click on this Options button, and you can uncheck this Remove First Paragraph Indents radio button. Now I'll compile a quick PDF to show you that that works. See, the first paragraph is indented. But remember, this is not the industry standard. Only do this if you particularly want it.